Good day, my friends. I wish you are doing well, happy and healthy. Today we are going to cook some green beans with pomegranate sauce. What we need to do is to wash the beans first and then remove the top and the bottom of the beans. So as you can see, I'm going to remove the top and the bottom like so. Okay, I'm going to do the rest of the beans off the camera and then get back to you when they're all done. Now I've prepared all the beans, got the top and bottom off, and now we're going to put it aside and we are going to prepare our spices. So we are going to use half a teaspoon of black pepper. If you like it spicy, you can use red pepper. Half a teaspoon of turmeric. Half a teaspoon of coriander seed powder. Half a teaspoon of salt, and we're also going to use dry aromatic herb mixture that I've made myself. I've been putting the ingredients in the description. You can use any aromatic herb you like. So a tablespoon of that. Now we put that aside. Other things that we need are honey, pomegranate sauce, ginger paste, chopped garlic, chopped onion, and chopped mushrooms. We are also going to use tomatoes. These are roasted tomatoes that I've prepared. You can also use sun-dried tomato if you prefer. Now we put the wok on a stove, add some cooking oil. This is olive oil I'm using. Then we add the onions. When the onions start bubbling, we are going to add the garlic. Spread it to get it roasted a little bit. Now we add the ginger paste. You can use chopped fresh ginger or dry ginger if you prefer. Now we mix everything together. And now we are going to add our spices. We throw it all over the ingredients we already have in there and then mix them. Now we add the beans. Get them mixed. Now we put the cover on so that the steam will help cooking the green beans. We keep moving them around. Now we add the mushrooms. Now we add put the cover on and wait a little longer. Now we add 3 tablespoons of pomegranate sauce. You can add more if you like. And we also add 2 tablespoons of honey. Now we add the tomatoes. Whether you use sun-dried tomato or roasted tomato, it's up to you. Then we put the cover back on. We move them around every now and then until we are satisfied that the beans are cooked by tasting them, and then we transfer them into a serving plate and add lemon zest on top of it. I hope you liked watching the video, and please leave a comment if you like. And have a nice day.